Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Indianapolis, local and long distance movers near me. Long distance moving is no easy task. Getting your belongings into another state involves meeting interstate regulations, traveling long distances, and making sure your cargo is safe. Hiring a professional moving company to move your things is a better idea because you get the following benefits: expertise and experience. Professional movers have the experience that allows them to predict problems that could surprise you. They use proper equipment and vehicles for the job and benefit from a whole logistic system that makes the longest moves easier and faster. Cheaper move. You might think that a DIY move is actually cheaper, but you would be surprised to see how many things could go wrong and how many mistakes could cost it when it comes to moving. Take no risk and hire 3 movers for a guaranteed successful move. Safety of your belongings. Certain items have to be handled using the right equipment and by people who know what they're doing. During transportation, certain risks have to be managed. 3 Movers can keep your items safe throughout the move, and we also offer insurance as well. 3 Movers also offers local moving services in and around Indianapolis. Make your move fast and reliable by hiring professional moving companies offering a local service. You will save a few hours of trouble and enjoy your new start in a more relaxed way. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Indianapolis moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.